YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you hear some whistling like that in the background, that's my bird Vincent. She's an African gray parrot. I have other videos on her if you want to know more about her. My channel is all about luxury on a budget, so if you're into that sort of thing, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you can see more videos about it, and click the like button on the videos and the little bell notification icon so you're notified when I post a new video. I have an unboxing today. This came to me from Lily LV. It's an item that I said in a recent video that I've been looking for quite a while, and it's very, very difficult to find from Louis Vuitton. They hardly ever come up on the website. You can hardly ever find them in stores anymore. It used to be a very common item, but for some reason they are limiting them now, and have been for a while. So I've been on the hunt for this. I saw one at the Real for a great price and great condition a few months ago, but I didn't buy it because I was trying to be good and save money for some other things. And ever since I didn't buy that, I have been kicking myself and regretting it because it was such a good deal. And when I mentioned that in the video, one of my subscribers told me that Lily LV had one of these available in one of the Facebook groups. So I went over and checked it out, and I got in touch with her, and perfect, so I bought it. And she told me that she included a couple of little treats for me, little extra things. So I'm looking forward to seeing what that is. Let's go ahead and get into the box. And I'm very much looking forward to this item too. She bought it from someone, so she's the second owner, but she said when she bought it, it was in brand new condition, and she only carried it a couple of times, and the only reason that she was getting rid of it is that it was just sitting in her closet, that she wasn't using it. And she gave me a fantastic price for it too. All right, here's how she's got it packaged. Very well. I knew she would. You know, it's always easy dealing with her because she knows what she's doing. She knows her Vuitton very well. You know it's authentic because she knows what she's talking about. She's been doing the Vuitton game for much longer than I have. All right, here's the little box. It's one of the magnetic boxes, which I'm happy about. All right, let's open it up. And she put a note inside for me. And she said she put the ribbon from the box inside. Her note says, "Autumn, I hope you enjoy your new bag. This pink palm will look adorable with it. Love, Lisa." All right, so I open up the box. Here's the item. And I'm gonna look at the little treats here first. So she included the original receipt. And oh, cute. Yeah, that will be very cute with it. Thank you, Lisa. Adorable. Oh, it's so soft too. Is that real? Is that real fur? I'm not sure. I'll have to find out. And then here's the ribbon. All right, let's get into the dust bag. I love that it has the whole package too. This is even more perfect than the Real one that I saw because it comes with the box and dust bag and everything. And it's from someone I know and trust. Here we go. So it is the Pochette Accessoires and monogram, and she said the strap is inside the bag. And I'll just spin it around for you. You've seen these several times, I think. This one is, what does that say? I think it says made in France, but I need my glasses. Yes, it does. Made in France. You probably knew that already because you can read. Here's the bottom. She had photos of the corners. Everything's perfect. The zipper's perfect. There's no tarnishing on any of the hardware. There are no watermarks or anything. It has just the slightest patina. Here's the hardware for you. Let's open her up, and she stuffed it so it would keep its shape. Here's the strap. Again, a very light patina, almost none. And a bunch of bubble wrap. Silica gel packet. Score. Ooh, another one. My lucky day. And she sent this little chain with it. So this is a shoulder length. It's not crossbody or anything. So this was something that she bought for her bag, and she didn't need it anymore since she sold it. So that'll be perfect if I want to use it on my shoulder like that. I don't have one this length. I have a lot of chain straps, but I don't have one that length, so that's great. The interior is nice and clean, looks perfect, and it has the pocket and another silica packet. Oh my god. There's the pocket, there's the date code. And the reason that I wanted this is to replace this, my old model Stephen Sprouse limited edition graffiti pochette. And I've been using this as a catch-all in my handbags pretty much since I got it, so for quite a while. But I didn't want to use it as a keep-all, this particular limited edition one, because I'm afraid of damaging it at some point, things rubbing against it and chipping the green graffiti silk screening or whatever process they use. And it's still perfect. It's held up really well. I've used it like non-stop every day for, I don't know, a year or two, and it's still perfect. So maybe I really don't have anything to worry about, but I didn't want to take the chance. So I wanted to get a monogram one, and I wanted the new model because it has the longer strap. I'll go ahead and put the strap on. I wish they had done these with clips on both ends so you didn't have to string it through like this. It's a pain if you want to take the strap off often. So it has a longer strap than the old model pochette. So this will fit over your shoulder, which I liked if I wanted to use it as a little handbag, little shoulder bag. But mostly what I'll use it for is just the keep-all or catch-all inside my bag. And I'll use it in my bag without the strap on it. I'll go ahead and put the chain strap that she included on it just to show you what it would look like with the chain strap. So there's that. That's nice. And there's how it would look on my shoulder. And I have one more strap I'll put on it. I have this strap that I purchased from the Real Rail, and it's a monogram Louis Vuitton strap from a Palace bag. And that's quite a bit longer than the other two. Oops. So that's how that would look. I think that works. I could also put the Ebene crossbody strap from my Eva bag on here and make it a crossbody. In fact, I have that bag sitting right next to me, so I'll do that now. Here it is with the Eva strap crossbody. That looks great too. It's a perfect small size bag. So Lisa, thank you so much for hooking me up, and thank you so much to the subscriber who told me that Lisa had this so I could jump on it. And I'd say their name, but I don't know if they want their name mentioned, so I'll just keep it private. They know who they are. I love it. And Lisa, also thank you for the little goodies, the chain strap and this cute little pom. Let me put it on there so people can see what it will look like. There you go. It's like a little mini pom. I don't have one that size. Very cute. Thank you. The children are wrestling on the floor.